Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to create, launch and withdraw the liquidity pool from your very own Memecoin. With only using one platform, all you need is a laptop or a tablet and a phone, an internet connection and a crypto wallet with a bit of Solana in it. This video is for entertainment and education purposes only, and I am not by any means a financial advisor. Now let's first take a look at PumpFun, where most of the Memecoins are getting launched. As you can see, coins are getting created every second, making the market very saturated. Your coin will be buried within 30 seconds and therefore making it not visible. But if we are taking a look at Radium, we can see that the flow is much slower and fewer tokens are getting launched, which give us a much more visibility. So this is what we want, and to launch our token we are going to use gamacenter.org, a native platform from Radium to create Memecoins. In order to have a good Memecoin that performs well, we need a great topic. This is where your creativity takes place. I often find the daily news topic are working the best, whether it's sport, politics or drama. You need to make sure that your Memecoin can relate to everyone and spike interest easily. I'll advise you to take your time and do some research for the best result possible. In my case, I have noticed that France is going through another crisis, and protesters are marching down the street, causing chaos. This will be a great topic, as it is covered by all global televisions and media. So let's name this coin maybe French Rebel Coin, something like that. The symbol next to it are the three letters that you can find for each crypto, like BTC for Bitcoin or ETH for Ethereum. For our case, we will use FRC. I'm going to make the supply of 1 billion coins, as most memes are using the same supplies, and leave the decimals as it is. You can add a little description, but let's be honest, no one is reading them. Now, the icon is one of the most important steps. You need to make sure your coin is visually attractive for people to buy it. Get any image related to your project and topic and import it into Canva. Then resize it to a square and then download it. Go over all the details, make sure everything is good and then create your token. Great, our token has been created, but not yet launched. As you can see, it is pending, because we need to create our liquidity pool. The liquidity pool is the initial foundings that will set the price of your token. As you can see, the minimum is 0.3 Sol, but I would recommend to start with a minimum of 0.5 or even 1 Sol, as investors tend to trust more a coin with solid foundations. Here is an example of low liquidity and high liquidity. It's much easier to build momentum when the foundations are solid. And remember guys, this is your coin, you can withdraw at any time. Any liquidity that you initially put will be withdrawn at the end. I have 1 Solana in my wallet, so I'll use this. Copy your token address to your wallet and send the liquidity. Once the transaction has been sent, click on the transaction and select View on SolScan. You should have this option on any wallet. As you can see, the liquidity pool has been created. Now copy the signature address and paste it in the token signature. You are now ready to launch your coin. It should take a couple of seconds to validate the transaction, and boom, your token is live. Do not share your liquidity pool address with anyone, and do not click on withdraw by mistake, because it's irreversible. Now let's go on Dex Screener and copy our token ID in the search bar. Here is our coin, already live on the Radium network. Don't be scared if you see some red candles from the get-go. That's just some sniping bots buying and selling faster than you can blink, and this won't affect your coin or stop real buyers from buying. Now it's just a matter of waiting while keep monitoring both Dex Screener and Gamma Center. And after a few hours, our coin just had a big buying streak, so I'm going to pull the plug now. Go onto Gamma Center, paste your Solana address and hit withdraw. Your coin will disappear from Gamma Center. And if we take a look at Dex Screener, yes, the liquidity has been withdrawn. After a few minutes, let's take a look at our wallet and see that 5 Solana have been added. If we take 1 Solana out of our initial investment, that is 4 Solana of profit in just over 5 hours. How easy is that? Again, I am not encouraging rugpull, and this video is for education purposes only. Thank you for watching and see you next time.